Are you an early bird or a night owl? While some people would like to believe they are an early bird or a night owl by choice, it's more complicated than that. This is determined mostly by your circadian rhythm. A circadian rhythm is a natural cycle of energy levels, which is determined by both your genetics and your exposure to light. It controls the amount of energy you have at different time of day and what time you go to sleep. If your cycle is longer, you're more likely to burn the midnight oil. If your cycle is shorter though, you're more likely to get up early and attack the day. How you deal with your circadian rhythm greatly affects your productivity. For example, just because someone is able to stay up longer doesn't mean they will get more done. Because of this, the typical 40 hours work week doesn't take advantage of people's most productivity hours. So how does the 40 hours work week come into play then? Surprisingly, it had nothing to do with increasing productivity. Henry Ford, the owner of Ford Motors, created it. He reduced his employee hours from 48 hours a week to 40 hours a week to give them more time to spend their money. He hoped to spark more consumerism in America by giving people more free time to spend their salaries. While his plan worked to increase consumerism in America, people still debate about the effects a set schedule has on productivity.